Well, here we are grilling out in the snow, and I got my NexGrill fired up. Get some hamburgers. Got it from the grocery outlet. Whatever a grocery is. So my father gave me this grill for free because it was broke. The handle was broke on it. He just got a new one. I guess the tents are probably all wore out and everything else in it, but whatever. It's a good grill still, and it works. All 4 burners, technically 5 burners work. So what I got to do, I finally busted all that Gorilla Glue off of there that he tried to use to attach it that doesn't work on stainless steel that gets heated repeatedly. And so I got to go find a little doohickey-majig that goes in there, the insert. They just take 1/4-inch bolts. It's the exact thread for 1/4 inch, so that's good. And it's got the little insert thingy here, the mica washer, sorry. Almost, I was in the wrong state for a minute there. Oh, here it is. They got a little mica or something washer, or asbestos or something good. That sits between the hickey-majig and the lid, and that's what keeps it from burning the crap out of you when you pick up the handle. So, what we're going to do is go over to the weldier and try to weld whatever this stuff is to stainless. I'm going to leave the burgers cooking for a little bit here. I got them on foil because I'm too lazy to clean the grill. One of these days I'm going to pressure wash that thing. Let's see, we got to get the welder fired up. And we got to get a helmet for the welder. Then we got to go get a... Oh, my stupid thing fell off again. We've got to get the other round piece that goes in there, and if I lost it, we'll have to make a new one, but we can make that. That's pretty easy. It's just a round thing. Oh, in case you didn't see the videos yet, because I might not have uploaded them yet, this is the pieces for the rear end of my dune buggy that I'm building out of a Dodge 2.5 engine. I'm adding fuel injection, it's already got fuel injection, it's throttle body. I'm putting the multi-port turbo intake on it, and I've got a turbo for it, and the turbo exhaust manifold that goes with it. Plus a brand new water pump and a brand new water pump housing because I broke the old one because the damn thing didn't drain all the water out of it when I opened up the hickey-majig. So that we got kind of screwed, but we shall overcome. Nothing else is broke on it. It holds water other than that bad water pump housing, which I've replaced with a brand new one. Anyway, back to the main hickey-majig here. I'm going to fire up the weldier, and we're going to do like 3 little tack welds in there, maybe 4 or 5 or 20 of them. I'm not going to go all the way around because that's kind of not really necessary. They only use 3 tack welds at the factory on the thing. We'll give it a shot, see if she works. Warm up the generator before we start to stick with stuff. Still on, choke on. See how she starts in the snow now. It's cold out. Not real super cold, but it's cold enough to be irritant. Okay, power up. Hell yeah, dude. Crank it. There's the paint. We gotta tack that onto there like that. Whoops. Hold on. The back will work. Oh no, that's right. Well, backwards one way, but not the other way. So just tack her on like that, and that'll be it. There we go. Alright, fire in the hole. That. Onward. Fucking good for it. That's good for the lens. We're still on? Yep, we're on. That's good. It'll burn off. fuel off. Well, that's idling down, running out of gas. Let's go over here. That'll just automatically shut itself down when it runs out of fuel. I shut the fuel valve off. I threw my welding hickey back in the car. The cat's been pissing over there. That kind of pissed me off. So, one of my good pieces of cardboard. I don't like that. So, I put a bunch of hamburger grease on my old wall pieces over there. Hopefully that'll get them to stop pissing over there because they think it's food. But usually, they won't shit in their food. If he thinks that's food, he ain't gonna piss in it. I hope. Well, it's a tomcat, so who knows, but I'm hoping that works. Alright. So hopefully this thing ain't too god-awful hot. Put a bunch of, oh, look at these. Nice burgers. Got these at grocery outlet. It's a discount grocery store around here. Oh boy, those are getting... Yep, there goes the generator. Just starting to idle down. I gotta pull the choke real quick. I wonder what that loud noise I just heard was. Some kind of a bang. Whatever, we'll figure it out when we do the edit. Oh wow, there's a lot of grease in there. Let me make a little channel for the grease to flow down to the grease trap. Hopefully past the flames so we don't start a big ass fire. Yeah, that'll do. Ends too. Oh, that's right on the tent. Whoops. Oh well. Too bad. Should have got out of the way in time. Oops. I forgot this spatula is bendy. Because it's cheap. Whoops. Ooh, fire. Steve's sitting there watching. He's like, yeah, do it again, do it again. There we go. Okay. Now we're cooking some hamburger, as they say in the fancy part of town, cornfield. Let's do this thing here. What you want to do, I'm going to take the place where I didn't burn the hole through, put that on the bottom. There we go, the generator shut herself down. Take most of these bolts out once I test them to make sure they're not hot by sticking my finger directly on them. These are 1/4-inch bolts, which is cool. Thank you, NexGrill, for using real hardware instead of some weird wacko machine thread bullshit or something. Alright, so we got these hickamajigs here. It's got like a mica washer or some kind of insulative thing. Goes on the back of it. And you stick this on top on the outside. Is there a... Nope, just got a hole. And you stick the bolt through. And you thread the bolt into the hickamajig. The handle. We'll turn forward, I suppose. Oh, there's a little recess in there. I wonder why. Oh, yeah, so it doesn't get the handle hot. Well, it goes into the hole perfectly when it's out of the grill, but not when it's in the grill, just like the car. It works great when it's outside. You're bench testing it, but as soon as you try to put that little bastard on the car, I can by golly she ain't gonna do. Alright, let's try her this way. More Gorilla Glue residue on the back of this thing, but it ain't gonna do us too bad. Alright, let's see how much shit I can get into my burgers on this thing. Alright, I'm gonna jam this in here. Stick it in the hole. Oh, must have just been the one I welded wasn't quite as easy to stick in. Alright, cool. So now we need to go get a 7/16 ratchet and socket and heck-a-majig, and then we'll do the thing with it. These burgers are 80/20. They're kind of greasy, but they're okay. I mean, let's give her a little grease hole here to stick in. Or not. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Whoosh. The nice thing about cooking on foil too is that fire don't go right into your burger. Yeah, I know. I'm not a burglar. It's me. I'm cooking burgers. Not a burglar. Not a burger cooker. Right, cool. So the handle is on here. We just need to go get a ratchet and a socket. I'll be back. I thought I lost my dang ratchet, but it just ended up in the lower section of the toolbox because I hit the one bump drill super hard over in Soviet Pennsylvania stand and it knocked everything down. The comrades over there need to get some work done on their damn roads. They charge so much for taxes. They got like one of the highest gas taxes in the nation. And their roads have done the most damage to my vehicles. Thank you very much. Good job, guys. Oh, I guess it does. There we go. Alright, cool. So, 12mm Soviet is 7/16 Freedom units. Cool. So this will be the first time in years and years that this drill has actually been fixed to where it works. When my father had it, he just used it until it broke completely and then just was going to throw it out. I was like, alright, I'll take it. And it works. It works good. I've been cooking all kind of stuff on this thing. I'm saving a bunch of money too. Cooking stuff myself. I like doing that. Now I'm out here drilling in the snow and stuff. I'm freaking Ohio people. That's exactly what I am. Ohio man. Drilling in the snow. Yeah, it's not quite all the way in yet. Far enough to where I can crank on it. Oh, there's it. No, I just messed it. Punch it down, but don't punch it down quite so hard that it tears it out this time. There we go. And you don't want to punch these down too hard because if you put too much tension on the insulator device, the little insulated washers in there, it will cause them to not be as insulating. Insulating? Is that a thing? It is now. I just made a word. Hooray! Okay, so we get the hole on the bottom so you can't see it once the grill's open. We'll hang a rag or something over there so nobody will ever see it. There we go. Alright, tighten up. And we have an insulated handle on my NexGrill. Cool. Now I can shut the lid, let the hamburgers cook, you know. All fancy, like Canfield. You know, you can't have a hamburger cornfield's going to have hamburgers because they're fancy. Yeah, it's a nice grill. I like it. I think they got it at Walmart, which I mean, if they advertise here, that'd be nice too. Look at that. Crunch. That is slick. I can't remember the last time. It was like 2019, I think, was the last time this grill handle worked right. Well, there should be. Alright. I guess there's not really much more to be said about grill handles, other than NexGrill. I mean, it's not a bad grill. Don't use Gorilla Glue to put the handles back on it. Yins, be careful out there. Yins, watch. See you later.